friends and welcome to Fashionista. Viva San Juan! I just had a leap in the well for the feel of San Juan festival. Like many of us would be celebrating the feast with great pomp, like the wreath of flowers that I'm wearing, children, women and men wear to celebrate the arrival of monsoon. So, Viva San Juan! Enjoy!
San John is the feast of Saint John the Baptist. The prophet saint is believed to have heralded the coming of Messiah into this world. The Bible quotes the mother of John the Baptist, Elizabeth. Look, the moment of your greeting reached my ears, the child in my womb leapt for joy. She exclaimed when Mary, mother of Jesus, came to visit her. Thus, the festival came to be known as the Feast of Saint John the Baptist, where jumping with joy, especially in water bodies, was the highlight. The revelers, sizzling on the bounties of local alcoholic brew, jumped into the wells, ponds, or creeks, yelling San Juan. This particular well where I had a leap is 100 years old, located in Baina Vasco. The locals start jumping in the well starting from the well of Milton Barreto. Prudent team celebrated San Juan with great pomp.
সাজাও দেখুন সগলে একটা উনু উড়বেন বরণ লসাডুলু বাইচা উৎকা উড়কিও মারুনু আওয়াইস কইর কাড়া হাত দিউনু Pesma odeće, Boris manu muza korpaće, Sorbotelu orpaće, Sanna ode kaupaće, Orsan morot feste upaće. সাজাও দেখুন সগলে একটা উনু উড়বেন বরণ লসাডুলু বাইচা উৎকা উড়কিও মারুনু আওয়াইস কইর কাড়া হাত দিউনু
Viva, 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 viva San Juan. Viva, 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 viva San Juan. Mainukin marun kopanangalun bon folia. Koshin bolun sanna okun soglago atia. Ani pao abe ponos ondros ki rostana kauya. Viva, 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 viva San Juan.
Monsoon is the time when your skin can behave very strangely, especially when it comes to your hair. Hair problems are more frequent during the monsoon, but Reshma has some tricks and tips which will be handy to help you get rid of your hair and scalp problems during monsoon.
Now I'm going to show you a hair care for monsoon. That is, we are going to do a aroma hair oil massage which helps in stopping hair loss. Due to rains, when you get wet, your hair starts falling, but then this oil massage really helps you in stopping the hair loss. So let's start first the application of hair oil, that is from the forehead to the nape. Section by section you have to take the hair and apply hair oil with the help of cotton. second step after applying hair oil is you have to massage the head with circular motion from the forehead to the nape. This massage and aroma treatment is very good for even dandruff. In rainy season you get lot of dandruff, but after doing this the dandruff goes on the spot. Like after massage, hair oil massage, there is a pack, a nourishing pack, a wash and a conditioning system which removes dandruff on the spot. Now we are doing a forehead massage which gives relaxing. Hair loss treatment even includes relaxing. We are giving a pressure point. The way of doing is like this. 2 fingers near the nose and thumb at the crown. And press very slowly, just once. Now a neck massage. Now this is one more step we are doing. Turn the hair fully, make a juda and press it tight, holding one hand front, press it tightly. Again one more, the other side. You have to do this 3 times. Now one more step is the crisscross method. Take 2 strands only in the middle, pull it slightly and cross it. This will be done only in the middle. This is one more step what we are doing is a slight massage and leave the hand. Again massage, leave it. Again the first step what we did is circular motion, pressing, this is called a piano step, to be done at the temples. Now we are going to apply a Brahmi hair pack which will condition her hair and moisturize and give her smoothing. It should be applied same way we applied hair oil. Take hair strand one by one and apply on the roots and the hair too. This is a hair steam. This is a good steamer. After applying a nourishing mask, steamer is compulsory because it really works wonders after applying mask on the hair. After steaming, that is to be given 10 minutes. Steam लेने के बाद you can go for a wash, that is a back wash, a proper shampoo and a conditioner. After shampoo and conditioning, you have to do a blow dry. All the steps for spa is over.
Well, I thoroughly enjoyed the spa treatment given to me by Kiswa Beauty Salon, and I feel my hair absolutely fresh and rejuvenated, and I'm feeling quite good. Thank you.
बारिश में अपने बालों का खास ध्यान रखना चाहिए। सबसे पहले अच्छा सा शैम्पू और कंडीशनिंग। शैम्पू हफ्ते में 1 या 2 बार, ऑयली बालों के लिए रोज़ शैम्पूइंग, ड्राई बालों के लिए हफ्ते में 2 बार या 3 बार, और कंडीशनिंग आफ्टर एवरी शैम्पू। दूसरा स्टेप ये बालों का ख्याल रखने के लिए इज़ यू हैव टू अप्लाई अ हेयर पैक। हेयर पैक बनाने के लिए मुल्तानी मिट्टी का हेयर पैक इज़ वेरी गुड। उसमें मुल्तानी मिट्टी में आंवला जूस और एलोवेरा जूस डालने से बालों का बहुत ज़्यादा आप ख्याल रख सकते हैं। हेयर पैक हफ्ते में 1 बार लगाना चाहिए। अगर डैंड्रफ है तो डैंड्रफ के लिए मेथी सीड्स और उड़द की दाल जो ग्राम फ्लावर है उसको मिक्स करके दोनों को भिगोकर दोनों को मिक्स करके उसको पीस कर अपने बालों में लगाना चाहिए। ये डैंड्रफ को कम कर देगा। इसके अलावा अगर हेयर पैक लगाना नहीं है तो आप डैंड्रफ शैम्पू यूज़ कर सकते हैं, पर आयुर्वेदिक डैंड्रफ शैम्पू बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से काम करेगा। डैंड्रफ अगर नहीं हुआ है और बालों में अगर बाल झड़ रहे हैं तो बालों में हेयर ऑयल वो है कोकोनट ऑयल 1 पोर्शन। कोकोनट ऑयल जो है वो 1 पोर्शन है, जैसे 1 स्पून कोकोनट ऑयल, 1 स्पून आलमंड ऑयल और 1 स्पून ऑलिव ऑयल, तीनों को मिक्स करके आप बॉटल में मिक्स करके रख सकते हैं और हफ्ते में 2 या 3 बार ऑयल मसाज कर सकते हैं। अगर स्टीम आप देते हो आफ्टर हेड मसाज तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा। पार्लर्स में हुड स्टीमर्स होते हैं पर घर में नहीं, तो आप अपने बालों में स्टीम टॉवेल को गर्म पानी में डालकर उसको निचोड़कर टर्बन की तरह बाल में रैप कर सकते हैं। वो करने का तरीका ये है कि हर 2-2 मिनट में आपने बालों में टॉवेल रैप करके इस तरीके को 4 या 5 टाइम कर सकते हैं। ये हो गया बाल का केयर, आप बारिश में ले सकते हैं।